In this video, we will see how customers can replace the default certificates on DSM provision databases with their own certificates. You can see by default, the certs are managed by DSM for any provision databases, but our objective is to change it to a custom certificate. Again, I'm going to use the certificate manager that's available on our vSphere IaaS, or vSphere with Tanzu, as it was formerly known, just for simplicity. It's just my own knowledge. You can absolutely use any other cert manager that you have available. So you can see here, just to show you that my issuer has been configured. I have my certificate authority all configured, and I'm going to use that to sign my certificate requests. So I build in Kubernetes a certificate signing request manifest. This is sending the request for a certificate off to my issuer. That's managed by my cert manager supervisor service. I'm just going to apply that manifest, and what I get returned is a certificate which comes in the form of a secret. I can have a look at it here. I've obviously ran a number of these for various different databases that I have in my environment. And again, if I look at the secrets, there's lots of secrets, but again, the certificate that I wish to have comes in the form of a secret as well. And that is what we're going to use for DSM, the Data Services Manager. In order to replace the certificate on the database, I need to be able to apply it as a secret as well. So I just extract the certificate that I just created into a YAML manifest like I'm doing there. And that has the certificate of authority, it has the certificate, it has the key all embedded within it, as you can see it there. I do have to do a little bit of tidying up from the certificate that was generated by my certificate manager. I'm going to get rid of things like resources, UID, and also the namespace, because the namespace in DSM for databases, the certificates actually go into the default namespace. So my secret or my certificate manifest is now in good stead. I'm going to switch context. I'm going to come out of my vSphere IaaS, and I'm going to change configs into my DSM gateway. So now I'm going to be working in the context of my data services manager. And I just validate that by making sure the API resources returns what I expect it to return. So it looks like everything is there. I have my secret, so I'm just going to apply my secret now to Data Services Manager Gateway. Let's check that that took effect. It certainly has. Looks like the secret has been created. So now what I want to do is I want to modify my database so that it picks up the new TLS certificate embedded in that secret. So you can see I only have one Postgres database in this example. So I go ahead and edit that Postgres database, and down in the specification area, I am going to add my TLS : section, and then underneath that, I will give it the secret name that represents my certificate. And there you go. It is as simple as that. Save that off. The database does have to go through some changes. You can see the status change to in progress. And now if I switch back to my DSM UI and I have a look at my database, I absolutely can see again that it's in progress, exactly the same thing that was highlighted at the API there. I can see in the UI as well. And that will eventually come right once the certificate has taken effect. But now under my summary basic information, I can see the new certificate is in place. It's no longer managed by DSM. That is how to replace the database certificate in Data Services Manager from the default to a custom database certificate. Thank you for watching.